Welcome to another episode on our channel. I'm going back and showing you Hot Toys figures I haven't shown you yet. For some reason, they just went under the radar and I started focusing more on customizing figures. I did show you a customized Loki in the last episode. So this is Black Widow, and the art box is very nice looking. It does have that symbol there for Black Widow on both sides. And of course, it does have this wonderful artwork on the front. I think they did a good job with this box. So we will pause and I'll get this opened up. This is a unboxing kind of, in the sense that I don't even remember what is in the box. I know I displayed her with just a couple items, but we'll see what I left in the box. So we'll be right back. So she doesn't come with a ton of stuff. So they try to make up for it by giving you an extra set of hands compared to their normal Hot Toys figures. So she's got 5 sets of hands instead of 4 sets. So 1, 2, 3, 4 here and 1 on her. So these are fully gripping, closed, I should say, not gripping, but closed fisted hands. And then she has trigger finger hands. So if you want to show her with her one finger resting on the trigger of both handguns, you can use these. She's got like 2 fingers out for these hands. So 2 fingers out. It's better here. And then these are mirror images of each other with all these hands here. But this one, the last set of hands, she's got like 1 finger out, 4 fingers, 1 out, 1 slightly behind, 1 slightly behind, the last one slightly behind. And then she has the other hand with 2 fingers out and 2 fingers kind of more in towards herself. So they kind of look like this. So here is the 4-finger one. Here's the 2-finger one. Turn them around. There you go. So lots of hands to choose from. She has a stand and it's very colorful. So it does say Black Widow on it. And as far as stands go, again, I just don't like when colors compete with the actual figure, but it's only black and kind of reddish, so it's not as bad as some of the stands that Hot Toys does produce, but I still don't like the competition. I'd rather have a plain stand, but of course that would go with the stand. And she has an extra handgun. I imagine if you lose the handgun, backup handgun. And she's got 2 batons in her hands right now, but she has 2 articulated batons. And you can probably see that they have like ice picks at the end of the baton, but they're articulated, so you can kind of move them around as you see fit. And there's the ice pick end. Now, if you don't want the ice pick at the end of the baton, you can have either the stun version, which has the stun prongs showing, or it's closed. Just trust me, these 2 ends are closed. The stun prongs aren't showing. So that's pretty much it, except what I have on her. So we'll pause now and I'll show you how I have her display. So this is how I decided to pose her, with her 2 guns in her holsters, her batons using the stun gun end pieces. She's got interchangeable handles for her batons and like a backpack to put them in. Not much of a backpack, but it does give a kind of cool look when you're looking at her facing forward. Her outfit is primarily Black Widow. She does have some gold highlights. She's got gold wristbands, and the highlights in her belt are gold, and of course the red Black Widow symbol there. And she has red head, which means she has orange hair. So this is my pose for her. It's like she's in motion, and she just has her batons at the ready. So we will pause now and get her on a turn stand so you can see her from different angles. So pretty much a black outfit with some highlights of gold and some highlights of red in her belt buckle and up here in her shoulder area, just a touch of red. We'll go around and see what she looks like from all directions. Her hair is braided in many pieces. And there we go. So we'll now just get some tighter close-ups from here on up and really focus on her face. So let's go around and hopefully you can see a few more details. It's not much of a backpack, but it gets the job done. And the gold highlights continue on with the belt here. And actually you can see a little bit of red here in the shoulder as well on the back. And I didn't notice it before because I was paying more attention to the red, but you can see a little silver coming down her outfit, just highlights the silver. So it's kind of interesting. We got gold, we got silver, we got black, we got a little red, but just touches here and there. So yeah, we'll pause now and get a tighter close-up of her face. I think we'll go around fully this time so you can hopefully see more of that backpack. They're calling it a backpack, but it's really just a placeholder for the handles. But this does indeed capture her facial features, I think, quite well. I'm not a fashion designer for the stars and movies, but since her batons are silver and her interchangeable handles are silver and she's got highlights in the top part of her outfit that are silver, I think I would have put a little more silver in the lower part of the figure. And I certainly would have made the highlights in the belt silver along with the wristbands, but I do like matching a lot. So anyway, but it's a cool figure. It's a great likeness of Scarlett Johansson. So here's one last look at our Lady of the Day, Scarlett Johansson, aka Black Widow. I hope you've liked what you've seen. If you have, consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. In the meantime, everyone, please have a great day.